my gosh, what do we got here? I'm counting 10. Wow. Longer than the train. 10 engines pulling 5 cars. Okay, you don't see that every day. Obviously a power move. Got an awesome horn salute. Look at that thing. It's fun. Hey, we're in Blue Cut. This Milepost is 65. I don't know if you can see that sign down on the left of the tracks, the left-hand corner. That says 65. That's main track, I think it was on main track number 2. 2 or 3. Westbound. We're at Blue Cut. It is cloudy today and cool. That's for 66 you see on your left. There it goes. It's going around the corner. I have to recount it, but I think I got 10. I was kind of shocked to see what was after it. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Real fans of the Cajon Pass, hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, help us out on Patreon if you can. You can always find the link in any description. We've got super thanks now and super chats, so if you want to throw us a bone that way, we love those bones. It really helps out the cause. Okay, you guys? Once again, we love you and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.